Shalom. Tactical voting. With the leadership contest of the Conservative Party having reached its final stage, it is now up to the leaders of the party to choose between the two candidates, Rishi Sunak and Liz Truss. For some members, the choice may well be an obvious one, voting for the candidate they prefer. For others, it may well boil down to which candidate they don't want. Such considerations are not new in leadership appointments. Look at what happens in this week's parashah. God presents Moses with the tragic news that he will die, and he will not take the people into Israel. Moses' immediate concern is who will be his successor. He asks God to designate a leader and goes on to specify the qualifications he would like to find in the appointee. According to our commentator Rashi, the implicit meaning of Moses' request is as follows. God, you know the minds of everyone, how one person is not the same as another. Appoint a leader over the people who will be able to deal with the different natures of all of your children. Isn't Moses' request rather out of place? Of course, God knows, even better than Moses, what the needs of the people are. The Rebbe of Kotsk explains that there is a subtext to Moses' request. In previous chapters, we have read of Pinchas's courage in taking matters into his own hand. A plague had broken out, and Pinchas's swift action averted further disaster. He killed the perpetrators who flagrantly defiled the camp. God rewards Pinchas because he was passionate for my sake. With God's ringing endorsement of Pinchas, Moses is worried that this is the person God will have in mind to be his successor. The passionate idealist may have been the right person at the time of crisis, but is he the right person to be the future leader of the Jewish people? Moses therefore asks God to appoint a leader who will be able to deal with the different natures of all of your children. In other words, God, please don't appoint Pinchas. A true leader is not one who simply rises to a crisis, but one who can rise to all circumstances. Shabbat Shalom.